guys, welcome back to my channel, Maria Vlog 001. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the garden. Guys, if you know the name of this tree, it's have fruit, guys, like this. It's yellow, but it's already carbon, Please send me the name. So in the comment section below, send me the name so I also know what the name is it. And see guys, this garden. Oh, and also this one, guys. I don't know what the kind of fruit this one.
Oh, I know what it is, but I don't know the name.
Also that one, guys. You can see that one. So much fruit. And this is the flower beside. This is tomato. I know. I don't know what is this. And that lemon. This one also. And this one I don't know, guys. What kind of fruit is this? I don't know. I think it's blackberry. Or what? It's this blackberry. Oh guys, I can see this kind of fruit. You know this kind of fruit, guys? Oh my goodness, so much. It's from the neighbors. But this fruit, guys, is true. So much yummy. But we have the yellow one. You see this one? It's a yellow. And there, yeah, it's yellow, guys. And it's all flower here. Here, this is all flower. I don't know what kind of flower this, guys, but you can tell me if you know the name. Oh my goodness, guys, this yummy, guys. I try this. You know?
What? You find it? Wow! You're so
Oh, this is already.
I found so many of them.
This, guys, what kind of tree is this? Please give me the name and put it in the comment section. Guys, we have lemon. Yeah, we have lemon. This one is lemon, guys.
What? Lemon? No.
Yeah, it's
That's
lemon.
lime, the new.
This lime?
Yes, new fruit. Yeah.
Yeah, it's lime for them. Lemon, it's the same. Lemon is the same. And this one also, guys.
Lemon.
But because I'm tall, I can reach it. I want to take it.
No, Maria, not because you're tall, because you're standing on something.
And this one, guys.
I'm tall. You're standing on something, Maria.
I'm tall.
Guys, she is joking. She's standing on something.
I'm standing in one tree. See?
You're such
I'm
a
so
liar.
much tall. No.
I think this is kiwi. Kiwi.
Ah,
They got so much luck on.
you know what this, guys?
I love it.
What kind of fruit is this? Adi. This is not for them.
This is another house.
Yeah. It's okay, guys.
When
Adi.
she was lying to you, she was actually standing on something.
See, guys, I can reach it because I'm tall. See? I'm tall. But see? I'm not tall, guys. That's all.
She's 5'5".
Okay, guys. For today's video, only this one. We will see what we can do another.
You can do a tour for the next video.
Yeah, I will do it.
For the
Maybe
house.
next. But that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Just click the notification bell for more info. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.